What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another unboxing. I got some heat for you today. This is from Goat. I ordered this Friday. Today is Monday. I got it second day shipping. These shoes are already pre-verified, so I went ahead and copped them. A buddy of mine sent me a picture of these shoes over the weekend, so I decided to cop them. See what we got in here. See, you got that GOAT label there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, y'all see it. All right, pull this shoe out of here. See what we got here. AirMax 98 Cone is the colorway. Let's see what the colors are. It says Cone / Tour Yellow / Hyper Grape Cone. Now, this shoe is fucking vibrant now. I'm telling you, like, this shoe is super loud. YW did mine. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, looks like some heat. Looks like some straight fire. Now, on this description, it said on the shoe that it was missing left midsole. This is the left shoe. You see, it's got its midsole, so it's in there. I got these shoes discounted because it said missing left midsole, but you see it there. So let me get this out. Ooh, shit. Sorry, y'all. So let me get this other shoe out of the box. Take a look at it too. So yeah, I hope this, see, it's like foggy on these air bubbles. I hope that comes off, or hope that cleans up or something. What's going on? But yeah, here's the shoe, man. Let's see, coming into the toe box, you got this like orange, like suede type material going on. Coming up to this purple, that hyper grape color. Still suede with that gold Nike check. Coming into this like, this is like I can't even describe this material. It's not suede, it's like it's hard to explain. Yeah, anyways, got the 3M on the lace loops. Got the 3M on the back with that gold air right there. Once again, got your teal bubble going all the way through the shoe. Here's the bottom of the shoe. Pretty fire. Yeah, man, just a pretty dope shoe all around. Like I said, we're gonna be doing some on-foot reviews and everything of all my kicks I got and everything. So it's a Nike 98 Cone. Y'all like and subscribe, man. Leave a comment. Let me know what y'all want me to open up the next box with. YouTube, I'm out.